In this lesson, we will talk about the transient data collection facility in GraphicCalc. Essentially, it is equal to attaching test probe to any cell or any measurement, and then you can collect the data over a specified number of iterations, and then the data is automatically ready for pasting into Excel for doing any kind of analysis using Excel's tools. So you can collect all the data and then bring in the power of Excel. So um, the process is pretty simple. I'm going to just create a, let's say, a simple mechanism here. So I have a mechanism. Let's say the length of this is 30 and the length of this is 60. I'm not using the drop point because I want this to be sliding on this entity. So let me create a value generator. Let's call it driver 2, and I want to start at, let's say, 30 degrees start value and 1 degree increment, go 40 times, and let's say I want to reverse. So there are 40 iterations. I apply, and then I drive this using the value generator. So I have basically a mechanism here. So let me increase the length of this. So let me bring it to the home position, and let's say you're interested in measuring, let's iterate it a little bit, and I'm going to control A to for single cycle. So let me put a measurement which is measuring from end of this to the end of this, and let's say I have a cell here which is showing me the angle of this line. So then what you have to do is you can name the entity. So let me call this driver, and let's say we call it travel. Let's say we want to know what is the value of the x coordinate of this line. So we just put a cell here and say end x. So we can name it, let's say end x. So now these will be updating as a mechanism is going on. And let me see, my preferences is, let me put it to fast. So next thing what I'll do is I can, for single step and then reset value generators. So this is the home position. Then what you do is you click on the cells and the dimensions in the order that you want them in the table. So I will press the shift key and click on this first. Then I want to see the travel and the X location. So once you have selected the entities that you want to collect the data from, and they can be dimensions and cells, there is no limit. You can collect from as many probe points as you wish. Just the only thing to remember is that click on the entities in the sequence you want them to appear on the table. Then what I'll do is come here and say collect data, and since the mechanism is going through 40 iterations, so I just enter the number 40 here, and as soon as I hit OK, you notice the collecting data light came on here, the indicator, and it'll stay on till it has collected the data for the 40 iterations. So it has already collected the data, and now I can just bring in Excel and I just say paste, and that is the data that I just collected. And now of course I can use Excel's tools to analyze the data. example, I can fit a curve to this. Let's say we fit a polynomial curve, and then we can add a display equation on chart. So that is the equation for the travel. So this becomes a very powerful tool because now you have all the data that you need without performing any trigonometry or mathematics or lengthy calculations, and then you